Oh my god, this is disgusting! Why did I let this get so disgusting? I don't know. Unfortunately, I guess that's just who I am and something I'm gonna have to live with. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today, we're cleaning. If you've seen literally any of my videos in the past, you know cleaning is not my forte. I hate it. I never do it. In fact, my room is currently a mess as we speak. Why am I admitting that on international internet? I don't know, but you know, whatever. But anyways, today I thought it'd be fun to clean out my makeup collection because, to be quite frank, it's disgusting. It takes an international apocalypse, but I'm going to clean my makeup collection. So, yeah, without further ado, here we go. The very daunting task of cleaning out my makeup collection. Ugh, being an adult. The agony. Well, what do you know? Our outfit of the day is sweatpants again. They're cute, bootylicious sweatpants, but you know, sweatpants nonetheless, because that is what I've been wearing every single damn day in quarantine. So I thought I'd start this video by showing you my makeup, because duh. So I actually have a very glamorous, beautiful room when it's clean. I'm not gonna show you what's on the floor right now, but you know, so here is where I get ready, and here is where I keep my makeup. This is my very beautiful little setup here. Like you can see, oh my god, how cool is this? These are like vintage antique mirrors. Hi! I collect old perfumes, so we got some fancy perfumes. This lovely naked lady statue, because I love naked lady statues. You know, got this all set up all pretty over here. Some Polaroids of me and my friends, and yeah. It looks all nice and organized up front, but then in my drawers is where the tragedy is. Dare I even open this? No. Don't judge me, okay? I'm sure like a lot of people watching this have equally disgusting makeup collections, or maybe not. Maybe I'm alone, but it doesn't matter because we're cleaning it. So here it is. Dun 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 dun. Oh Lord, this is disgusting. Of course it doesn't stop there. We also have another disgusting drawer. And more mess down here, more mess under here. And to top it all off, guess what? I actually have 2 bathrooms in my bedroom. Dun dun da da! This is my other bathroom, where we also have everything all set up nice and beautiful. Fun stuff just for the aesthetic, and then we have my disgusting makeup drawer in here too. I mean, this isn't as bad because I organized it once, and also it looks like this is actually more of a first aid kit now that I look at it. But I keep my skincare and stuff in here, so fake nails. I'm gonna count this drawer as makeup because like some of it is makeup. Rogue beauty blender in there. Yeah. So we got quite a bit of work to do, so let's just get started. We're gonna clean. Honestly, I don't even really know how to go about this, so I think we're just gonna empty the drawers. First step, empty it out. Okay, I'm gonna lay out a towel so I have space to put stuff. Oh, also I'm not wearing any rings. What a tragedy. Oh, there we go, much better. Okay, sir. Dun, 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 dun. Yay. Oh boy. What's funny is this is not even organized at all, and it's disgusting because I just like spilled powder and everything. Anyways, yeah. All right, here we go. Woo! All right. There is one drawer all nice and emptied. I have got to clean this, so we are going to clean this out. Ugh. Please do not rail me in the comments for being this disgusting. I'm being very open and vulnerable right now by showing you this. So, anyways, let's go through this and see what we even have and what I actually even use. Okay, so I think we're gonna start by organizing it into piles like lips, face, eyes. What other parts of my face? I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so we'll put all of our lip stuff over there and create a nice little pile of that. Oh my god, I love this lip gloss. Okay, yes, there we go. Put foundations and contour over here. Kim says hello. Hi, Kim. Tweezers here. Look at those bedazzled tweezers. Aren't those fun? Still in the box mini setting sprays. Cool. Ta-da! Cool! We got foundation, lip stuff, highlighters, eyeliner thingies, more thingies, and great. Okay. Trash. So we'll also empty out this drawer. Woohoo! All cleaned out and all organized adjacent. So I guess now let's go through the piles and see what I actually want to keep and what I don't. Because we definitely need to get rid of some of this. All right, gonna clean out the drawers with our trusty wet ones. Here we go. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum. Oh, gorgeous. Honestly, maybe cleaning is fun. Never ever quote me on that. Great, okay. I also gotta clean these too, so I think I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. I don't really know if this is necessarily dishwasher safe, but I guess we'll find out. Exciting. Alrighty, there we go. Look at that. Still a little wet, but yeah, I didn't really dry these off that good. Oh yes, look at that. Gorgeous. So now I'm gonna go through each pile and see what in each pile I actually use and need to keep. Since I'm a little bit hoarder-esque, I'm probably gonna end up keeping most of it, but you know, we'll see. Maybe there's some stuff I can toss. Fingers crossed. Maybe. All right, let's start with foundation-y things. I need this. I need this. This is my primer, so we'll keep that and we'll put that in a keep pile. This is the same foundation I've been wearing for literally like a decade. I'm obsessed with it. This is my only one. It's basically out. It's all I have left though because Sephora's closed, obviously because of the quarantine. So hopefully the online order I placed comes soon because I cannot survive on this for I don't think any more than like maybe a day and a half. So, okay. So if I look hella crusty in my next few videos, it's because I'm scraping foundation out of this. So anyways, all right, what else? Well, I certainly do not need two of the same disgusting bottles, so we'll keep one of them and clean it. I don't know where the lid is, but that's fine. Trash pile, keep pile. Great. Backup foundation, we'll keep that. An in the box backup foundation, okay. My contour stick, we'll keep that. I don't really use this, but we'll keep that for maybe in case I decide to. See, I'm really not that good at getting rid of things. Maybe I should get rid of this. This is basically empty and I don't really use it anymore, so maybe that can go. Backup foundation again, we'll keep that. This is eyeshadow that I use, and this is like bronzing powder that I use, so we'll keep both of those. I need to clean them though. Cool. All right, so keep and throw away are not exactly the greatest piles I've ever seen, but you know, it's a start. Okay, so since we're gonna keep all these foundation-y things, we gotta clean them up because they're dirty. This is not sponsored by these wipes, but I wish it was. Okay, here we go. Oh, would you look at that? He looks brand new. Ta-da! Fabulous. Now we just gotta clean up the rest. Woohoo! Good start. I basically wear the same makeup look in every video. It doesn't really matter to me whether I'm going to Trader Joe's or whether I'm going to a ball. I don't know when I go to balls, but you know, you get the point. Red carpet events, first date, whatever. Doesn't freaking matter. I'm always wearing basically the same look, so that's why I have a lot of the same thing. Like, I'm no beauty guru, but I must say I've definitely perfected this look. Look at that. Honestly snatched. Like, you know who does their eyeliner better than me? Nobody. That's who. Not to toot my own horn, but toot toot! I have tried everything, and these are the only two that are able to do the job this perfectly. This one I've been using forever, ever, and this one is also honestly pretty much just as good, so yeah. So if you're looking for an eyeliner recommendation, these are the ones to get. I've tried literally everything. Drugstore dupes just don't cut it. These are the ones. Fabulous, excellent. Give you that perfectly winged look. It's just so, wow, it's like extra good today. Okay, back to cleaning. This is the setting spray I've been using. I really like it, so we're gonna put that there. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and rinse our brushes off here because Lord only knows they desperately need a bath. So we're gonna give them a nice little quick bath. And now we shall do the same thing with the rest of the little piles. I don't know, I'm making this up as I go. Like I said, cleaning's not my forte, clearly. Oh my God, this is weird, but this is actually hair gel. I use this to hold my eyebrows in place, so there you go, fun beauty hack. It works great. Alrighty, lipsticks and shenanigans. Let's see what I need to keep. Oh my God, Pat McGrath actually sent me all of these. These are her like Opulest lip collection. So beautiful. I'm definitely gonna keep all of those. I love glittery lip glosses. I'm gonna keep all of these. This is the Chanel lip plumper. It's like my favorite thing ever. I always use that. This is my highlighter that I still use. It's the best. The highlight that I'm wearing all the time is actually my AS Cosmetics collection, which you guys always ask about that. It literally was just like a one-time limited edition collection that I'd done with Hush, but I'm gonna try and start to work on like restarting it up. So stay tuned, I'm working on it. I definitely created the greatest highlighter ever made. So yeah, Insta-Ho Glow for life. Stay tuned. This was from my makeup collection too. Oh, I need to bring this back. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. Fancy lipsticks. I should keep those and clean them. What do you think? Do I have enough of the same exact thing? I am always wearing either one of two colors on my lips. It is the KKW Beauty Nude Liner Lip Blend Scribbled Everywhere, or it's NYX Lip in Mauve. And I have 500 of those as well. Maybe I'll make one of these drawers like my makeup storage center, like a Costco, where I like keep the extra ones. That's actually a good idea. Yes, we will do that. Oy vey, what's even in here? Oh yeah, I got this really nice PR package. I'm using these face masks. They're great. I have a lot of fun with those on Instagram. So we're just gonna actually keep this in there because I don't know how to organize that. What else? Oh God. Oh no, I have really nice makeup in here. Why? This is so beautiful. What the I have all that fancy stuff because I used to have it out like on the vanity, but then I decided I preferred a white aesthetic instead of the black and gold, so I have to wait till I have an extra bathroom to put the rest of that out. So anyways, that's why I got all that, but it'll go in there for storage for now. Okay, I know this doesn't look that much more organized, but again it is. We got our face masks over there, some extra glittery lip glosses, some eyelash collections, and then some fancy stuff back there for fun. Burm, 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 burm. I am weirdly having sort of a good time doing this, except I'm really just procrastinating finishing by doing this weird head bobbing thing. Okay, back to business. It's looking so minimalistic and simplistic. Literally the only area of my life you will ever see me try to be minimalistic. I'm a maximalist. Everything to the most. Extra in everything. That's how I like it. Put those in there, alrighty. So we got that drawer somewhat organized, so I think we're gonna make this drawer the Costco drawer. Like, you know, all my glittery eyeshadows and glittery glitteries. Like, look at this Fenty powder. I wish I had somewhere to swatch this. It wasn't randomly on my arm, but look at this. Are you ready? Ooh! Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. Are you guys ready to see it? Ta-da! One drawer sort of organized. So here, this is we got our brushes, our primers and powders, highlighter, spray. We got our lip stuff, eyelash stuff, eyebrow stuff back there. We got all of our lip things, powders. So this is all the makeup that I use on a daily basis, just to create this look. And then this drawer, I turned into my Costco drawer. So we have, you know, the 500 lipsticks, the same thing, my specialty glittery makeups, and some extra whatever. So this is the drawer of stuff I don't wear every day, but use on special occasions. You know, kind of like red lipstick, which I don't really wear very often, but when I do, this is the one I use, NARS Stargirl. Or Starwoman, Stargirl. NARS Star Woman. It was the winner of my lipstick Olympics. Oh, it's literally the best. So yeah, this is my little Costco-y drawer. So now that we organized those, we're gonna mosey on to there. Boop, boop, boop. I don't even really want to do this. I'm tired now. But alas, since we already started the project, we're gonna finish it. So we'll just organize this real quick. By the way, these are the fake nails I've been using lately. They're kiss nails. Aren't they cute? I love them. I did them all by myself. I'm very proud of it. I actually used to do my nails by myself all the time, and those were like some of my first DIY videos. So if you want to check out how I do this or anything, I have the videos up on my channel, so you guys can click those to see how I do that. And I'll add some more like product links of what I'm using now also in the description in case you want to shop. But that's not important. I'm just procrastinating the actual cleaning, so here we go. Blah.
Like you can see, this drawer is disgusting, so I just went ahead and reorganized it. So we have our nails all organized, the skincare all organized, the face washers all organized, just kind of everything, you know, more in a place than it was before.
And I think we organized it. Is it really nice and organized, all fancy? No, absolutely not. But is it way better than it was before? Yes. And that's really the only realistic standard I can hold myself to. Better than it was. Cleaning out my makeup collection. What a weird adventure. Was that fun for you to watch? I don't know. Was it kind of therapeutic for me to finally do? Yes, and even if it wasn't, it was definitely necessary. So bless, thank God, at least me being bored in my house. This is good for something, you know? It makes me clean. Crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns on my socials, @AmberScholl, hit me up, say hi. I love you guys so very much. I hope you're staying safe, clean, happy, healthy, and of course, most importantly, fabulous. So I will see you guys very soon. Happy makeup cleaning. Till next time, sweet angels. XO.
I literally woke up this morning and I couldn't even believe I had clean makeup drawers. That is insane. I mean, now I have to like stop doing shit like this. Making a mess of, you know, the background of the room. I really need to learn how to do my hair properly. It's a start.